Minced. Start. ChamchiMooJorim. Let's make the sauce. Put sugar. Hannah. Put chili powder. Hannah. Dual. Put fish sauce. Hannah. Put oyster sauce. Hannah. Add Deonjang. Hannah. Put minced garlic. Sprinkle black pepper powder. Mix, mix, mix. Put the radish, green onions, and sauce in a pot with a lid, cover, and boil for 10 minutes over medium heat. Stir occasionally so that the bottom doesn't burn. Turn it over well so that the bottom doesn't burn. Add the canned tuna, cover again, and boil for 10 to 20 minutes over low heat. Check if the radish is cooked well by piercing or cutting it, and turn off the heat. If there's not enough water, add more. The longer you boil it while stirring well so that it doesn't burn, the better the seasoning will soak into the radish and it will taste better. You can mix it with rice or eat it as a side dish. Minced.